Welcome! Today I am with Sony headphones and I'm going to show you how you can connect to two devices at the same time. So at first you have to open this application of Sony for one of the connected smartphone. In this case I have here the Asus Zenfone 7 Pro and I'm connected with the headphones. So right now you have to go for the system and activate the connect to the two devices at the same time. So tap on the switcher, then click to OK. Right now click connect, click OK another time. Okay, and as you can see right now it's enabled, so we have to click right here on this arrow, tap here and then click on the plus on the right bottom corner. Wait, I just misclicked. And right now we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our second device that we want to connect. So on my Nokia smartphone I enable the Bluetooth, and as you can see right now it detects automatically our smartphone, so I'm going to connect. As you can see we have to get the application from the Google Play Store, so let's get it. Let's install the Sony headphones connection application. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. As you can see the Nokia 5.3 connection is complete, so click OK. And right now take a look, we are connected in the two devices at the same time. And here if you want to get also information and you want to adjust the things of the headphones, you have to just go forward and set it up. And as you can see right now it switched to the Nokia 5.3, and basically that's how you can connect two smartphones, two devices through Bluetooth to your headphones. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.